Mica system allows you to attach nearly any kind of monitor to your individual setup. Therefore, it offers you 4 different sizes of monitor arms and 3 different EasyLift monitor arms for even easier height adjustments. All monitor arms are delivered with a quick fix adapter and VESA 75 and 100 adapter to easily attach any monitor to a monitor arm. The smallest monitor arm is the XS size. It has a fixed range of 10.5 cm. The M size monitor has an adjustable range of up to 50.5 cm. Both the XS and M size are able to hold a monitor with up to 15 kg. As an alternative design with a more slim appearance, we offer the SL monitor arm. The SL arm is able to hold a 10 kg monitor and has a maximum range of 45 cm. Thanks to its appearance, we recommend the SL arm to be used with Mica accessories, which are shown in a separate video. Like the whole Mica system, all mentioned arms are available in 2 colors, black and aluminum. Each standard monitor arm has to be attached directly to a Mica system pole, as you can see here. Simply slide it into one of the pole's full height grooves and fix the screws. On top of the standard Mica monitor arms, we offer Mica EasyLift arms. EasyLift adds a whole new way of up and down movement. It delivers height adjustments made as smooth as possible. With the aid of an integrated pneumatic spring, the arm can be adjusted perfectly to the weight of your monitor. All you need is to once adjust the tension of the spring with the help of the screw at the bottom of the arm. Regulate your height setting within the wink of an eye and without any need to readjust booms every time you want to move your monitor. Be it a switch in seats or setup which is used by different persons, Mica EasyLift monitor arms allow you to customize your monitor's position within seconds. EasyLift monitor arms are available in 3 different ranges and in aluminum color only. Choose between the S version for environments with limited space and the M and L version. For each EasyLift size, we offer 2 different load capacities, 3 to 8 kg and 7 to 15 kg. For detailed dimensions, please check our website and online shop. Just like the Mica mic arms, the EasyLifts can be attached on top of a system pole or at its side by using a Mica pole adapter. Alternatively, mount Mica EasyLift monitor arms to your desk with a bushing. Use a wall bracket to affix it to your room's wall, or add it to a Mica system wall with the help of a Mica system wall adapter. There are plenty of options to mount your Mica monitor arms. Choose according to your individual requirements and make most of the Mica system.